Morning, my name is Klaus. I'm a sensei in Aikiken and the founder of SAS, Spirit and Art of the Sword training system. I want to welcome you to my Shadow Sword Fight course, and what you see behind me, this is my dojo here in Dahab, and this will be the place where we will spend the next weeks together in this course. And I'm happy that you are here because you want to free the warrior inside you. As a warrior, you have to live in the now. To leave the state of now only for a fraction of a second could result in death. And you take the training here always like real combat. And when you take this experience of the now into your daily life, then you will really win. Be aware, walk conscious, smell everything, hear everything, see everything. But do not think. Live in reality. Live the now. Very important is always your mindset for each training session you do. It means prepare as best with a small meditation to get on the battlefield. Do always a warm-up, and do always the extended warm-up with all the basic strikes. And then choose one of the lectures, one after each other, and practice each lecture that you really can do it blind. Nearly each lecture consists of 2 lectures of the same sequence. One is like the basics, and the second one is always about the techniques and the footwork, which bring you deeper inside the sequence. So take your time and practice each lecture well until you continue to the next one. After each training session, always do stretching. Flexibility is the key. Do a meditation at the end of each training session. Visualize your exercises again and again in your mind, and calm down before you go back to your daily life. And then take this warrior spirit with you. Live in the now. If you have any difficulties or questions about the Shadow Sword Fight here, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to assist. Practice, practice, practice until you get it right.